What is Ping Pong? This tutorial gives you a short introduction to the system and its most common functions. Ping Pong is a web-based system which enables teachers to publish course content in the form of text and digital media. There are a number of interactive features available in the system, such as discussion forums, collaborative class groups and instant messaging. Teachers can monitor students' progress by assessing performance with quizzes, tests and assignments. Students can keep track of deadlines for assignments and monitor their own progress with features such as objectives and progress. When you log into Ping Pong, you come to your Start page. In Ping Pong, courses are called events. You will see recently visited events in the menu to the left. If you can't find the event you're looking for, click on the events in the menu bar and then on Show All My Events. Here is an example of an event, that is to say a course published in Ping Pong. What you see in the left menu of an event depends on which functions your teacher has chosen to use. However, all events will have some form of course content under the heading Contents. Here you can see a number of folders published under Contents. If you want to see the contents of a folder, click on the folder menu. This folder contains pages, an assignment, a self-test and an evaluation. This is an example of an individual assignment with a deadline for submission. Students use the Select File button to upload their assignment for a teacher to grade. Correspondence about the assignment as well as the final grading of the assignment will be accessible to the student via this page. Teachers have the option of activating a plagiarism check on submitted assignments by using an integrated system called Urkund. Urkund automatically checks texts against the internet, archives and databases and indicates when texts have probably been copied from other sources. If your teacher has activated the document function, you will be able to access files that have been uploaded to the event by clicking here. Only teachers can upload files to the event for all students to read. As a student, you can upload files for personal use to the My Document area. You can share files with your project group by uploading them to the project group document area. More on project groups later. Use the menu to the right of the page to upload files and to choose their destination. The Ping Pong function, called Objectives and Progress, helps students to keep track of their progress in a course. A horizontal bar indicates how many of the course sub-objectives have been completed. Your teacher may choose to create a sub-objective where you are required to pass a test or to submit an assignment. Students are at times asked to vouch that they have completed a task. As in this example, you will then see a sub-objective with a box for you to tick. A number of teachers use discussion forums for interactive or collaborative learning activities. Click on Discussion under Communication to access the forums that you have access to. Read your teacher's instructions for the forums carefully. These instructions are usually published in the forum description, which you can preview in the forum list. Click on a forum to see all the posts. When you click on a discussion forum's name, a list of posts or subjects is displayed. Each subject is a new discussion within the overall discussion forum. Remember that you can sort the list of forums and the subjects by clicking on the purple headings. If you turn on the overview mode, you can see new messages in the overview panel to the right. So let's just recap. By clicking on discussion, you will see the forums that you have access to. Please note that you can subscribe to new posts by ticking the subscribe box. Once you open a forum, you see the discussion subjects that have been created by other students. To create your own subject, click on New Subject. Otherwise, if you want to post a reply to an existing subject, click first on the subject and then on Reply. At the top of the page you can see that there are a number of options for viewing messages. For example, you can show messages as threads or choose whether to show photos of members. Project groups are used to enable students to work together on assignments. To see which group you are a member of, click on Project Groups in the menu. Your teacher can pre-assign you to a group. For example, this student is a member of the Learning Partners group. But you may also be invited to join an open group by clicking on Join. As a member of a project group, you have access to a group room in Ping Pong. Your teacher will choose which functions your group can use, but usually groups have their own discussion area and their own document area. PIM, Ping Pong Instant Messaging, is a quick and easy way to communicate with other students and teachers on a one-to-one basis. Throughout the system, whenever a user's name is displayed, a speech bubble can be seen next to it. Click on the speech bubble to send that person a PIM. A green bubble indicates that a person is online, but you can send a PIM regardless. When you click on a speech bubble, a new window opens showing recent messages. Write a message and click on Send. You can also enclose a file. You can access all your PIMs, both sent and received, via the Communication PIM menu. Regardless of where you are in Ping Pong, you will always be able to access the menu bar. This lets you use other functions of Ping Pong independently of a specific event. For example, use the notepad under Tools to make personal notes and to save them to Ping Pong, or access your contact list under Communication. To the far left, you can change your settings and edit your personal information. Take a moment to add a photo of yourself under Personal Information. I hope you now feel equipped to log into Ping Pong and start using the system for the learning activities set by your teacher. Please note that I have shown you just a few functions that you may meet in your course. Ask your teacher if you need further guidance. Good luck.